This is N332.
Is it mandatory to carry a spare wheel in Spain? Understanding the legal requirements for handling flat tires is essential for driving in Spain. Spanish law requires all vehicles to have a system allowing continued driving after a puncture. While a traditional spare wheel isn't the only option, driving without a DGT-approved system can result in a fine of up to €200. Approved systems include a standard spare wheel, an emergency or cookie wheel for short journeys, a puncture repair kit with sealing spray and a compressor, or run flat tires designed for limited speeds after a puncture. Even with roadside assistance, having a valid system is mandatory. Regular checks of your spare or emergency kit are crucial, at least monthly and before long trips. Driving on a temporary fix longer than necessary is prohibited. Stay informed, stay safe, and drive responsibly.
Visit n332.es.